Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back again to our online class, especially to our social studies class in economics. And I'm your teacher Max again, teaching you for the second week. So I hope you are doing fine and you had a great lunch with you. Okay, so if some of you are already inside, let us know. Can you say, okay, teacher? And let us know if you are already here. And for some of you who still not yet inside the Google Classroom, so please enter our Google Classroom for Social Studies Economics. Okay? So say okay if you are here already.
Okay, say okay.
Still no okay, but CRT say hello to you.
Hello everyone again. Okay, welcome back again. So by the way, for those who are not yet inside the Google Classroom, you can join our Google Classroom.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So let's
Three
proceed.
okay from one
Okay.
person.
So let's proceed again to about our line group. Now, some of the students are still not part of our social studies M2 line group. So for those of you who are not yet inside the line group, can you please join in now? Or if you have friends that are not yet still inside the Google Classroom, you can tell them or you can add them in our line group. Okay? I will count 10 seconds only. Okay, now let's move to our topic. Just a review, by the way. Remember, every time you got a correct answer, you will get 1 point. That is equivalent for our speaking. So one correct answer, when you type in the answer in our in the chat room, in the live chat, you will get 1 point. Don't forget to say your name, class number, and your room number. Okay, so let's start. Review only. What was our topic about last week? It is connected to economics. What do you think? Can you tell me the first 5 students to answer it? I will give 1 point. This is just a review. Just tell me what was the topic about economics last week. Okay, when I say go, you can start typing now. Ready? Go. Nobody. Okay. I'm waiting. The question is, what was the topic?
Just an answer from room 8A.
8A.
Total sales.
Again?
Total sales.
Oh, total sales. What room or what class number?
8A number 17.
Number 17. Okay, next.
And 2A number 6. About countries.
About country. Okay, what else? How about in room 1, room 2, room 3?
From room 2,
Room 2.
parking number 44. About GDP.
Okay, very good. About GDP, number 44. Very good. What else?
There's an answer.
Two more students. Two more students. To get 1 point for our speaking.
Do you want the same answer?
Yeah, it's okay.
Same answer is okay. Park Venue, room 2, 35 GDP.
Very good. It's about GDP. One more.
Also, room 4, number 2, also GDP.
Okay, number 2. Okay. GDP, correct. The last topic that we had was GDP. Question. What is the meaning of GDP? For 1 point again, what is the meaning of GDP? What are those 3 words? GDP. Ready? Go.
From Nursery, room 1, number 12.
Okay.
Gross domestic product.
Very good. Gross domestic product. 4 more students.
From 8A, 17.
Okay.
Gross domestic product.
Gross domestic product. Okay. 3 more.
From 8A.
8A again.
Number 10.
10.
Gross domestic product.
Gross domestic product. 2 more students. How about in room 3? Room 5, 6, 7, and 8.
เลขที่ห้องหนึ่งหรือที่39
Room 1,
Room 1.
number 39 gross
No.
domestic product.
Okay, number 39. One more answer.
One more.
Room 7
Room 7,
Oh,
number
very good.
41.
Number 41. The answer is
Gross
gross
domestic,
domestic product. So, our topic last week is about gross domestic product or GDP. GDP is again the total value of goods and service made in your country or produced in your country in a period of a 1 year or 1 year. That is gross domestic product. And do you still remember, how do you compute gross domestic product? GDP equals what? GDP equals, do you still remember? Okay, let's start again. This time, 3 students only.
3 students.
Okay, ready? Go. What is the formula in getting the GDP?
ธนาภา room 8.
Okay.
Number 11.
Number 11.
GDP equals C plus I plus G plus NX.
Very good. Next. 2 more students.
8B.
8B.
Number 18.
18.
C plus I plus G.
Okay, plus NX. How about 1 more students in room 3, room 5, 6 only. There's still some students who are not yet, some rooms. Okay. One more student.
He answered only CIG. Will you give the point?
CIG. Okay, what class number?
Okay. Room 1, 39.
Room 139. Very good. So, the formula in getting the GDP is C plus I plus G plus NX. So, these are the words that you need to remember when you're getting to know what are the GDP of the country. Now, C means what? What is the meaning of letter C? Go. Meaning of letter C. 2 students.
2 students. Okay.
Room 2
From room 2, 38. Consumption spending.
Very good. One more
And
student.
room
Room 8
8.
Room
Number 11.
Number 11.
The same answer. Consumption spending.
Okay, consumption spending. Remember, the first letter in computation or the letter C means consumption spending. How about letter I? Letter I. 2 more students again. 2 students. Go.
Letter I.
Yes, letter I.
8B. Number
8B.
18. Investment.
Investment. One more.
Room 8
Room 8. Number 11.
Room 8, number 11.
Investment spending.
Investment spending. Very good. So letter I means investment spending. How about letter G? Letter G. What is the meaning of letter G? 2 students again. Ready? Go.
Room 2
Room 2.
38
38.
Government spending
Government spending. One more.
Room B number 18
18.
Government
Okay, government spending. So letter G means government spending. How about NX? NX. Ready? Go. NX, what does it mean? In C plus
Room
I.
8. Number 11. Net export.
Okay, net export.
And room 7, 41,
For
net export.
Okay. These are the meaning. The meaning is net exports. Remember, C is consumption spending, I is investment spending, G is government spending, and NX means net exports. Okay? So these are the things that you need in order for you to calculate or to get the gross domestic product or GDP. Understand? Now let's move to, okay, each word. Let's analyze or let's learn what are these words starting from letter C or consumption spending class. This is where we stopped last week, so let's continue. Consumption spending class is when it is the total money that you use to buy goods and service. You should remember goods and service. These are the things that people buy for their own use or for personal use. When you say goods, okay, everything that you buy in the market, okay, soft drinks, food, cleaning, a paper product, cosmetics, it's part of goods. So it's still part of consumption spending. Remember, these are the things that you buy for your own use. That is consumption spending. Of course, one more. How about service? When you say service, these are the people. When you say services class, these are the people that they do things to you. For example, Teacher Max is teaching you. That is services. Okay, a nurse, a chef, or a chef who is cooking for you, that is part of service. You pay them in order for you to get their services. So when you say consumption spending class, it is the total money that you use for goods and service, for own use or personal use. Understand? Say understand if you understand letter C. Go. Or okay.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Next. How about letter I? Letter I, when you say letter I, it is about the investment saving. Investment spending. When you say investment spending, this is letter I now. Investment spending is when you buy machines, vehicles, infrastructure, buildings, such as factories and offices, which are used in production or when you use for businesses, for doing business. For example, you buy machines or buildings and you use these buildings for you to have your business. That is investment spending. Or if you buy factories, if you are using, you have a factory to make a product or for doing business, that is part of investment spending. Okay? Or if you have machines, for example, if you have in making coffee, what do you use in making coffee? You use what? Coffee machine, right? And you use this coffee machine to make coffee and sell it to the people. That is about investment spending. Understand? Say understand if you understand. Or okay.
Okay, teacher.
Sure? Okay. Now, remember, investment spending is different from consumption spending. Because in investment spending, you will use this investment for business. You will buy goods and service for doing business or to earn money. But in consumption spending, you will not use that for doing business. You will just use it for your own personal use. That's the difference between the two. Remember, investment, use these goods and service or machines to use for business or for doing businesses. Okay? Now, next. How about letter G? Government spending. When you say government spending, by the way, government spending is this. Okay, government spending. Government spending is when you use your money. The government use the money in buying goods and service. I repeat, government spending. That's the ban. When the government, for example, the Thai government, they use the money to buy goods and service for the improvement of the people or for the people. So it means this government spend money and give the goods and service to the people. What are those examples? Let's say government spending. For example, if the government make highways, roads for the people, that is part of government spending. Understand? Okay? Okay, now remember, when you say government spending, when the government use the money to make roads, highways for the people, Or if the government use the money for building schools or building offices for the government, that is still part of government spending. Remember, when you say government, it is used by the government spending for the people. That is government spending. Okay? Understand? What's the next one? What's the next one? We finish about consumption spending. We finish about investment spending. We finish about government spending. And the last one is, what do you think is the last one? The next one? C plus I plus G and plus anyone? For 1 point, what's the next? Next one.
Pimada said net export.
Okay. Net export. Class number?
43.
43. Room 2, number 43. Okay, very good. The next one is the net exports. Okay? Or NX. When you say NX, okay, there are two important words in NX class. Let's find. Net export means the country's total export of goods and service minus the country's total import goods and service. I told you there are two important words in net exports. One is the word export and the other one is the word import. Okay? Let's find out what are these two words. Let's find out first when you say export. Okay? When you say export class, can you read clearly on the TV? Anyone? Can you read it clearly? Say okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can read it clearly. Okay. Export, I will read it for you. Export are the goods and service produced in your country and sold to another country. I repeat. Exports are the goods and service produced in your country and sold to another country. For example, this is a country and they made a computer. The computer is made in this country, but it is sold to another country. That is export class. Every product that is made in your country, but sold to another country. Understand? Okay? It's very simple, right? Simple to understand. Again, remember, exports. Exports are all the products made in your country but sold to another country. Okay? Okay, next.
Okay.
How about import? If export is product sold to another country, how about import? What do you think is the meaning of import now? Can you tell me? Plus 1 point. Who can answer? 2 students. Let's try. What do you think is export? Okay. Remember, export is the product made in your country but sold to another country. How about import? Can you tell me what is import now? 2 students. Ready? Go. Anyone? You can from room 1 to room 8B. It's okay, I will give 1 point for those
From
two.
8A number 6.
8A
when
number
you buy
6.
products from other countries.
Again, please.
When you buy products from other countries.
Okay, when you buy products from another country. Very good. Number?
8A number 6.
Number 6. Okay, who else? How about in room 3, room 5, and room 6? Hello, room 3, room 5,
After
and room
that,
6.
room 2 number 43.
Number 43.
From another country.
Again?
From another country.
From another country. What is from another country?
So, no.
Make it complete. Make it complete sentence.
Another one.
Okay.
From 8B number 18. Other country bring to our country.
Okay. Other country bring to our country. Okay. Who else? One more.
From Room 2, number 32.
Oh, room 2, number 32.
The goods and service buy from another country.
Okay, very good. The goods and service that you buy from another country. Good job, everyone. That's number 32. Okay, now, remember class, when you say imports, this is the opposite of export. Imports are the goods and service made in another country and sold to your country. Okay, for example, a country is making chocolate, or a country is making shoes, and then this country sold it to your country. That is import class. Remember, imports are coming inside to your country, while export is going outside to your country. Understand? Okay?
Okay.
So this is where you get the net export class. The net export is, again, net export is export minus import. That is net export. I repeat, net export is export minus imports. Okay? Understand? Okay, now let's move to this one. Okay. GDP, C plus I plus G plus NX. C means consumption spending. I means investment spending. G means government spending. And NX means net export or export minus import. Okay, these are the things that you're going to collect to get the GDP. Okay, understand? Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, understand? Now let's move to, let's find if you understand, okay? Let's analyze the following. You have to identify if the word or a picture is consumption spending, investment spending, government spending, and net export. Okay? You have to identify. It can be sentence or it can be a picture. Okay, let's start. First three students to get the answer. Okay? Okay. Picture. It's a picture in example number 1. What do you think is this? Is it C, G, I, or NX? Ready? Go.
From room 8A, number 3. C. Consumption spending.
Consumption spending, number 3. Okay, what else? 2 more students.
Room 2, number 32.
32.
C.
C. Okay, and last one.
Room 8, number 22, also C.
Okay, room
Consumption
8,
spending.
number 22. You're correct, everyone. The answer is consumption spending. Why? Because these are goods that the people use for their own benefits or for their own use or for personal use. They buy this product for their own personal use only. So that's why it will fall under consumption spending. Understand? Okay? Now, next, example number 2. Let's analyze. Okay. Read carefully. Okay? I will read it again. Ready? Wait. The Parliament buys 63 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines. You know vaccines, right? It's a medicine used for preventing COVID-19 virus, okay? Again, the Parliament buys 63 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines from the Pfizer company for the Thai people. Okay, let's analyze if it is consumption spending, government spending, investment spending, and X. This time, tell me the answer and tell me why is that your answer. Okay? Tell me the answer and tell me why is that your answer. Understand? Okay? Now, I will give a chance to 3 students to give their answer and their reason why that is their answer. Ready? Okay, ready? Go. 3 students. And tell me why. To get 1 point, tell me why did you answer this
From
letter?
8A number 6.
Okay.
D, because it is spent by the government.
Okay, number 6, very good.
And room 8A number 3.
3.
D, because government sent out the vaccine.
Okay, one more.
From room 7 number 41.
Very good.
D, because the government buy it.
Okay, very good. Letter G, or it's about government spending. You're correct because the government buys the vaccine. The parliament class is another word or a type of government. So it is under government spending. Okay, next one. Very good, you're getting it. How about this one? Okay, this one. Bakery and pastry equipment. Tell me the answer and tell me the reason why is that the answer you got. Okay? Ready? 3 more students again. Ready? Go. Is it C, G, I, or NX? And tell me why.
B number 18.
Okay.
I, because it is used in production.
Okay, I because it is used in production. Another 2 more students.
Room 2 number 32. I, because it is a machine.
Or good. I because it is a machine. And one more.
Room 8 number 22. I, because they buy and use it for business.
Very good, because they buy this and use it for business. Very good, you got it correctly. It means that these are the goods or the product that they buy to use for the businesses or for the business use. So this is under investment spending. Okay, next. Very good, you got it correct. This one. Okay. This one, a sentence now. My uncle gave me a Christmas gift that he bought from Italy. What is that? C, G, I, or NX? And tell me the reason. Ready? Go. Okay, 1 point.
Room 8 number 15.
Oh, number 15, room 8. Yes.
X because it comes from another country.
Okay, because it comes from another country. Another. 2
From
more.
room 1 number 12.
Number 12.
X because he bought from another country.
Very good. He bought it from another country. And last one more.
And room 8B number 18.
Okay.
Net exports because uncle buy gift from Italy.
Okay. Italy is from another country. Very good. So it is about net export. It means the product that they buy is from another country. It's from Italy. Okay. Very good. So you understand what is C, G, I, and NX. Okay, now, this time, let's have a simple activity. Again, bring your notebook, everyone. Bring your notebook in social. I told you, I announced it in our line group that you have to bring your notebook and open your notebook at the back like this, the one that we are usually doing. Remember this? And then write 1 to 10. It's a simple activity, okay? Again, at the back of your notebook, at the back of your notebook, write 1 to 10 and then analyze. And then after you get the answers, take a photo of your answer and send it in our line group. Okay? I repeat, this is writing test. Yes, question.
If the student don't have any notebook, can they write on
In
the
paper, okay, on the paper it's okay if you don't have
Okay.
notebook, but it's much better if you have notebook because we are using our notebook for recording as well. But if you don't have today, you can use paper. Don't forget, after you finish answering the questions or the activities, take a photo of your answers or the notebook and then send it in our line group. Okay? In our line group, not Google Classroom. Send it in our line group. In each album, so remember, I made an album or each room has album for you to pass your activities. Okay? I repeat, pass your work in your album in our line group. Okay? So this is our writing test. 10 points, writing test, pre-midterm at the back of your notebook. Okay, I'll give you time. Okay?
Check attendance.
Yes, Master.
Check attendance.
Yes, Master, check attendance.
Now.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Wait, Master. I'll check the attendance for the students, right?
Oh, I sent the link already.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, this time, class, in your notebook, don't forget to write, or any paper, include your name, your room, and your class number. Because I will check it, your writing test. I repeat, in your notebook, don't forget to include your name, your room number, and your class number. Understand? Okay? Just a 10-point activity. It's about writing test. Everything is about microeconomics. It's about GDP or gross domestic product. Are you ready? Get your notebooks now. If you got your notebook, say okay, teacher. And then I will start the test. This is writing test.
Okay, some students say okay.
Okay, I will wait for you. Okay.
A lot of okay.
Okay, let's start. We will start after 20 seconds. Okay, Master? Okay, I will start 20 seconds and then we will do our writing test. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start now. I repeat, this is writing test. Follow the instructions, okay? Let's start with this one. Answer the following in your notebook. Then after you answer, take a photo of your answer and send it in our M2 line group. Okay, for numbers 1 to 5. Okay, for numbers 1 to 5, just write consumption spending, government spending, investment spending, and net exports. Okay? That is for numbers 1 to 5 only. Okay? Understand? Okay, now, let's start. For number 1, okay? An old lady buys food for her pet dog. Okay, you can choose the answer on the above choices. Okay. Finish? Say finish if you are finished answering.
They ask that, do they need to check the answer?
No, they will just write the answer only. Write the answer only. Do not copy the words or do not copy the sentence. Just write the answer.
Already.
Okay, finish already. Write the answer only. Okay, next. Number 2. We're going to number 2 now. Number 2. Okay, number 2. A businessman buys computer hardware for his computer shop. What is the answer in these 4 choices? Okay, say finish if you're already finished answering. Okay. Finish?
Finish.
Oh, finish. Okay, next. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, number 3. Number 3. Okay. This one, number 3. Can you see the picture clearly? Say yes if you see the picture clearly. This is number 3. What is this? Consumption spending, government spending, investment spending, or net exports? Say finish if you're finished answering. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finish.
Oh, finish? Okay, next. Picture number 4. Oh, picture number 4. Picture number 4. Okay, picture number 4. This one. A retail shop owner buys football shoes from a factory in China and sells them in the local market. I repeat, a retail shop owner buys football shoes from a factory in China and sells them in the local market. Write the answer now. Say finish if you are finished already answering. Finish? Nobody's finished answering?
No.
It's quite hard.
Finish.
Okay, very good. I repeat, I will read again. For those who are going to view this YouTube on replay, okay, I repeat. A retail shop owner buys football shoes from a factory in China and sells them in the local market. Okay, let's go to number 5. Number 5. Okay, number 5. Analyze. Ready? Answer now, please. And say finish if you're finished answering again. This is picture number 5. Look carefully on the picture. Finish? Can you see the picture clearly?
Okay,
Finish.
Okay, very good. That is picture number 5. Just write consumption spending, government spending, investment spending, and net export. Okay? Now let's move on to number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 class, it's different. Okay? Do not answer C, G, I, and X. Do not answer. You have to write your answer at least 2 sentences. I repeat, answer in sentence or at least 2 sentences when you are answering. Okay? Let's continue. Understand? By the way, understand? I repeat, for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, answer in full sentences. At least 2 sentences. In your own words or on your own words. Okay? Just write at least 2 sentences. Understand? Say okay if you understand. This is for 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Okay, understand. Okay. Let's proceed. This is for question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For your answer should be written or in sentences. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Question number 6. In your own words, at least 2 sentences. I will read the question. In your own words, what is the meaning of consumption spending? I repeat, in your own words, at least 2 sentences. What is the meaning of consumption spending? Ready? Answer now. And say finish if you're finished answering. In your own words, in your own words. Okay, finish. And then let's move to question number 7. Everyone? Everybody? 5 minutes. Okay, finish? Okay, I will move to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. This is question number 7. What is the meaning of investment spending? In your own words again. The meaning of investment spending. Okay? Faster, because it's almost time. It's almost time. Okay? It's almost time. Let's make it. Say finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Finish already? Okay, next. Question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. What is the meaning of government spending? In your own words, in your own explanation, in your own explanation. At least 2 sentences. I repeat, the question is, what is the meaning of government spending? Okay? That is question number 8. Finish? Let's move. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, what is an export? In your own explanation again. This time, at least 1 sentence. At least 1 sentence. What is an export? What is the meaning of export? Okay, that's question number 9. Question number 9. And finish? Question number 9. Okay. And question number 10. Question number 10. Let's go to question number 10. What is an import? Export, and number 9. And number 10 is import. In your own explanation, what is an import? Okay? I'll finish. Again, after you finish writing down the answers at the back of your notebook or any paper, don't forget to take a photo of your finished answers and then send it in our line group, in the album for each room. I repeat, send it in our line group, in the album for each group. So, I will leave you here. It's already time, right? Okay. I will leave you here, and please, if you are not yet part of our line group, just scan this QR code to enter our M2 line group. Okay. By the way, class, this test is equivalent for 10 points of our writing test. Understand? So, from then, I will see you again on next week for our next lesson. By the way, I will check your writing test by next week. You will know your score. Don't forget to write your name, class number, and your room number, all in English. Understand? Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Thank you.